Technocan custom precision turned components in steel, brass, aluminum or Teflon. We study technically the components of your company to employ the fastest and most advanced technologies that constantly guarantee productions at competitive prices. For example, a customer bought this brass fitting in batches of 10,000 pieces per month. It was produced on a single spindle numerical control for 70 cents. In reality, with some adjustments, this fitting can be produced on a multi-spindle automatic machine in batches of minimum 20,000 pieces for 60 cents. It means a monthly saving of 1,000 euros. Our mission is the total satisfaction of our customers. We guarantee fast offers and professionality. Send us a drawing for a free quote.